Hello, Aspire coworkers, and welcome to this training session. Today, you will learn how to turn on the projector, connect the projector to the computer, connect the webcam to the computer, connect to Skype, and finally connect the speakers to the computer. So without further ado, let's jump right in. All right, so step one, we are gonna take the power cord and we are gonna plug it into the side of the projector. Then we're gonna take the other side of the cord and plug it into the cart. We are then going to plug in the cart. If all is well, we are going to see the orange light on the top of the projector. Next, we're going to hit the power button and it'll go green. So once the power's on, we are going to let it warm up a bit, give it a few seconds, and then we're going to adjust it to where it needs to be. Now that the projector is on, we're going to take the VGA cable and plug it in to the port on the side of the computer. So we're going to put the port in to the slot, and we're going to screw it into place. Once you plug it in, you should then see the image pop up on the screen. So next, we are going to connect the webcam to the computer, like so. And we're going to take the USB cord and plug it into the computer. We're then going to log into Skype through the FCA Aspire login. Once it loads up, we'll go to the settings icon, and then we're going to click on audio and video. This will test to see if the camera's working. You'll see that the green light goes on, and you're able to see yourself. So next, set up your speakers to either side of your computer. Plug in your speakers to the power outlet. Next, take your 3.5 headphone jack and put it into your computer. Turn the knob to the right until the speakers click on. Then you can adjust the volume using the same knob. If you made it this far, congratulations. You've successfully connected your projector to the computer, you've turned on those speakers, you turned on that webcam, and you made your first Skype call. Congratulations. Go you!